Hi everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to sign in SoundCloud account. So for that, first of all, you open the SoundCloud application. You are currently at the home page of SoundCloud. Now here you need to tap on I already have an account. Tap on it. You can log in into SoundCloud through Google, Facebook and Apple as well. If you click on continue with Google, continue with Facebook, continue with Apple, you will be easily logged in into the SoundCloud account of yours only if you have linked your SoundCloud account with this social media platform. If not, you will have to log in with the email and password. Now you type in your email address, then below type in the password and then tap on continue. This will get you logged in into the SoundCloud account of yours. So this is how you can log in SoundCloud. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.